Hello guys, thanks for coming back and having a look. Here we are on the last stump I've got to cut on this job, and the last stump I can cut on this job. And yeah, I've just taken off the piece of timber here that did go down to there, and for me to get to this post and get in there I had to take that piece out, which is part of the jam. But it doesn't look unsightly, as long as I had it all nice and neat. So now I can get a little further into that, and that post is a mess. You see again, as I said, there's the holes high and low tide level, the worst part. But that's where we're at today. I'll do a few more videos on this one, not as many as I did on the last one. I've still got a few more to upload, but yeah, the descriptions, taking you through the steps, how many pieces of steel I got to cut out. Here's a piece of steel of the one piece I cut out of the last one that went over in the corner over there. So yeah, took out whatever pieces I had to be able to get my 5-inch cutting blade in, the grinder blade. And this one's going to take a few because this is even tighter than that one. So yeah, it'll take a few pieces. Saber saw doesn't work too well because the blades I've got just aren't cutting it. They don't like the steel. But as I said, I'm replacing those. Not a problem. We'll get into this and I'll keep you up to date with the videos as we go through, as many as I can, and that I see are worth having. And I will talk to you again soon. Thanks guys. See you. Talk soon. Bye.